The present progressive tense, also known as the present continuous, is used to describe actions that are happening right now at the moment of speaking or actions that are ongoing around the current time. Here are the key details. 1. Continuous action in the present. It's used for actions that are occurring at the moment of speaking. For example, I am typing this message. 2. Temporary actions. It describes temporary actions happening around the present moment. For instance, she is studying for her exam this week. 3. Future plans. Sometimes it's used to talk about planned future actions, especially when arrangements have been made. Like, we are meeting at 3 p.m. tomorrow. 4. Emphasizing ongoing situations. To emphasize a situation or an action that is in progress rather than a habitual action. For example, he's always talking during class. In terms of construction, the present progressive is formed by using a form of the verb, to be, plus the present participle of the main verb. For example, she is reading a book, or they are playing soccer. The tense highlights actions happening right now or around now, giving a sense of immediacy or ongoing activity.